imagine there is a operation going on and the doctors are trying to find a very important and critical information in a computer, but due to connectivity issue they are not able to find the exact information about that particular operation, due to which the patient undergoing the operation might lose the life. So this is the real example of network connectivity issue, which is going to be resolved extensively with the 5G network that is launched in India in 1st of October 2022. The beta version is being launched in November. 5G was launched in US in 2019 April, and this being new to India, we should know what is 5G is all about and how it is going to impact our lives. So what is 5G? 5G is a mobile cellular network defined as fifth generation of mobile network, which uses high frequency radio waves, and it is tremendously faster, secure and reliable compared to 4G, which currently we are using. 5G downloads 1 GB of data in 1 second compared to 4G, which takes 100 times longer time. When you search something in Google, in case of 4G, it takes 45 milliseconds to get a response back, but in case of 5G, it will take only 1 millisecond to get a response back from the server. 4G supports around 4,000 electronic devices in a square kilometer of area, but 5G supports millions of them. So that way it will be more scalable and a lot of devices can be connected within a network and in a very fast and secure manner. It is predicted that by 2035, 5G network will pump around 12 trillion US dollar in the market, and around 10 million plus jobs will be created all around the world. Now, how the 5G is going to help us? So 5G is going to cause a paradigm shift in our lives in the form of healthcare services, transportation, jobs creation, agriculture, and many other areas. Especially in the healthcare industry, the 5G is going to transform our lives. Recently, GE Healthcare has launched a mega project in Bangalore. GE Healthcare, which is $18 billion industry, has recently launched 5G Innovation Center in Bangalore to perform research and innovate 5G devices. As you all know that the people in the middle class background and the poor families, they come to the bigger cities with their families for any treatment, right? So with the advancement of 5G network, what will happen is the treatment will be much cheaper, because for example, if they want to perform a MRI or any CT scan, what usually happens is the process will take longer time and it will cost a lot of money. Now with the 5G network, different data about the patient will be passed through this as part of this CT scan or MRI process to a remote server in the cloud, and the image will be captured instantly and it will be processed and sent back to the doctor. So that way this MRI and CT scans will be much cheaper in this upcoming cities. And similarly, with the advancement of 5G, real-time treatment will be possible. Like for example, if a patient is being transferred to a hospital on a ambulance, so doctor can monitor the health condition of the patient while the patient is in ambulance, and the doctor can recommend proper treatment on the way, and the doctor can have the exact information about the patient, will be prepared well advanced before the patient reaches the hospital, so that the accurate treatment can be given to the patient. So 5G is so faster that it will make the high precision images, and the information will be very accurate, so that the doctors or surgeon can do very accurate diagnosis of any diseases, and that will help to prevent or cure any kind of diseases. And nowadays, as you all know, that for curing cancer, the patient undergoes different kind of chemotherapy or surgery, and a long process of treatment. Now with the advancement of 5G, the genomics level of analysis and a lot of precision diagnosis is going to be possible, and a better treatment can be given to the cancer patients. Same applies with the cardiovascular or heart patients. Instead of going through ECG, then other heart related diagnosis, a test, doctor will just ask what exact treatment can be given, and whether a patient is required for a valve replacement for his heart treatment or not. So doctor can get the precise and accurate information, and that can be given to the right patient at the right time. So that will save a lot of time, and it will save a lot of money. So these are called precision healthcare. So 5G is going to transform our lives in tremendous way. And with the advancement of 5G network, we are going to make our life much easier and comfortable. But there is a parallel discussion and some innovations are going on whether 5G network is harmful to our health or not. Because 5G is high frequency radio wave network, and some part of medical fraternity and scientists, they found in some analysis that it might impact the health condition of some of the people because of the high frequency radio waves and the towers placed in different parts of the country. But compared to the benefits and the tremendous changes that 5G is going to bring to our lives, and saving the millions of lives and bringing the prosperity to humanity, these small impacts may be very minimal. It is like taking pickle along with her food. So pickle is tasty, we know, and it might have different side effects, or caffeine, for example, coffee when we drink. So there will be minor side effects. Knowing that also we take it, right? So similarly, the side effects of 5G would be very insignificant compared to the benefits we are going to get. But it is a very early to comment on the side effects of 5G. It is very clear that we are going to get huge transformation in terms of our lifestyle along with 5G. With that, I am glad to share all this information about 5G with you. I am sure that you got some information through this video. I'll be happy if you can subscribe my channel so that I can come up with a lot of information and I can share with you. I'm sure that you liked this video. I'm thankful for you for watching, and I wish you have a wonderful day.